Sensing blocks. Sensing blocks in Scratch sense the input from the keyboard or the mouse at the time of execution of a script. Some of the sensing blocks and their functions are given below. Ask "What's your name?" and wait block prompts the user to type the input using the keyboard. It waits for the user input. No other block runs at that time. Touching mouse pointer. Block checks if the sprite touches the mouse pointer, another script or the edge. If the answer is true, then it executes the blocks given after it in the condition. If false, then it executes other blocks as per the given condition. Touching color. Block checks if the sprite is touching the color chosen in the block. If true, then it executes a set of blocks, else executes another set of blocks. Color is touching. The block checks if the first chosen color is touching the second chosen color. If true, then it executes a set of blocks, else executes another set of blocks. Key space pressed. Block checks if the chosen key is pressed by the user. If true, then it executes a set of blocks, else executes another set of blocks. Let us create a small script to understand the working of sensing blocks. Sensing an input. To add sensing blocks to the script, follow the given steps. 1. Click on the sensing block category in tabs. 2. Insert a sprite Penguin 2 on the stage. Delete the cat sprite. 3. Add a new backdrop to the stage, Arctic. 4. Now drag the Ask block to the script area. 5. Type your name. Click on the tick button or press the Enter key. You can also place the Answer block in the Say block. It will look something like this. Snap this block to the Ask block. Now click and see what happens. Penguin speaks the name for the given number of seconds. Say answer for 4 seconds. You can change the question in the Ask block to any question of your choice. Click on the text box and type the question.